Tom, you're smiling. What happened?
I just watched a video from my student.
Oh, tell me more.
She gave a speech in English
That's wonderful.
at her company meeting.
How did it go?
Everyone loved it.
Did she make mistakes?
Yes, many mistakes.
But people still loved it?
That's the amazing part.
They loved her story.
Not her perfect grammar.
This is so important.
And that's our topic today.
Today, we're talking about storytelling in English.
How to captivate an audience,
Even as a beginner,
even with imperfect English.
this is a special episode
A bit longer than usual.
because we have inspiring stories to share.
Real students who succeeded.
Let's begin.
So, Lucy, can beginners really tell good stories in English,
Absolutely.
even with limited vocabulary?
Yes, let me explain why. Good storytelling isn't about perfect English.
What's it about?
It's about connection.
Connection?
Yes, connecting with your audience.
Through emotions,
Through experiences.
through honesty.
Exactly right.
So, what makes a good story?
Let me share the key elements.
I'm ready.
First, a good story has a clear beginning.
Like last week, something happened.
Perfect. That grabs attention immediately.
What's next?
Second, a good story has a problem or challenge.
Something interesting.
Yes, the audience wants to know what happened.
And third,
A solution or ending.
how the story finishes.
Exactly. Beginning, problem, ending.
That's simple.
Very simple. Beginners can do this.
What about vocabulary?
You don't need fancy words.
Really?
Simple words work best. Let me tell you about my student Yuki from Japan.
Please do.
Yuki was terrified of public speaking.
Many people are.
She had to give a presentation at her university.
In English?
Yes, her English was still basic.
That must have been scary.
She was shaking with fear.
What did you tell her?
I said, tell them a personal story.
A personal story.
Yes, I told her to share why she chose her subject.
That's clever.
Yuki studied marine biology.
Interesting.
She told a simple story about her childhood.
What happened?
When she was 7 years old, she visited the beach with her grandfather.
Okay.
She saw a dolphin for the first time.
Beautiful.
She said, "It was so beautiful, I cried."
That's powerful.
Just simple words, but so emotional.
What happened at her presentation?
She started with that story.
Did she make mistakes?
Many. She said, "I seen a dolphin" instead of "I saw."
Grammar mistake.
She said, "very much beautiful" instead of "very beautiful."
Another mistake.
But you know what?
What?
Nobody cared.
Really?
Her professor told her it was the most memorable presentation
That's incredible.
because she connected emotionally.
The story mattered more than grammar.
Exactly, her passion was clear.
Even with imperfect English.
That's the magic of storytelling.
I have a similar story.
Tell me,
My student Ahmed from Egypt.
what happened with Ahmed?
Ahmed worked for a technology company. He had to pitch an idea to investors.
Oh, that's high pressure.
Very high. These investors spoke perfect English.
And Ahmed,
His English was intermediate at best.
what was his idea?
An app to help farmers in rural Egypt.
That's wonderful.
I told him to start with a story about his uncle.
His uncle?
Yes, his uncle was a farmer.
I see where this is going.
Ahmed started his pitch with this story.
What did he say?
He said, "My uncle wake up at 4 in the morning every day."
Grammar mistake.
Yes, should be wakes up.
Did anyone correct him?
No, they were listening.
What else?
He said he work very hard, but always lose money.
More mistakes.
Works and loses.
But he kept going.
Yes. He said, one day I ask him, "Uncle, why you lose money?"
The grammar isn't perfect.
But the story was compelling.
What did the uncle say?
The uncle said he couldn't get fair prices for his crops.
Oh, the problem.
Exactly. Ahmed explained how his app would solve this.
Did he get the investment?
Yes, 2 investors funded his idea.
That's amazing.
One investor told him something important.
What?
He said, "Your English isn't perfect, but your story convinced me."
The story was powerful.
More powerful than perfect grammar.
This is such an important lesson.
For everyone listening,
Your story matters more than your grammar.
absolutely.
Let me share another story.
Please.
This one is about my student Carlos from Spain.
What happened with Carlos?
Carlos is a chef.
Wonderful.
He moved to London to work in a restaurant.
Big move.
The head chef asked all the cooks to introduce themselves.
To the team,
Yes, and explain their cooking philosophy.
that's challenging.
Carlos was nervous.
His English wasn't strong.
Not at all, very basic.
What did he do?
He told a story about his grandmother.
His grandmother?
Yes, every Sunday she cooked for the family.
A tradition.
Carlos said, "My grandmother, she cook with love, not with recipe."
Grammar mistakes again.
Cooked and recipes.
But it's poetic.
Exactly, he continued.
What did he say?
He said, "She always say, Carlos, people no remember the food. They remember how it make them feel."
That's beautiful.
The grammar is wrong in many places.
But the message is powerful.
His new colleagues loved it.
What happened?
The head chef said, "That's exactly our philosophy here."
Perfect.
Carlos became very popular in the kitchen,
Because of his story.
not because of his grammar.
These stories are so inspiring.
They really are.
So, what can we learn from them?
Let me summarize the key points.
Yes, please.
First, start with a personal connection.
Something from your own life.
Second, use simple, clear language.
Don't try to be fancy.
Third, show emotion.
Let people feel what you felt.
Fourth, don't apologize for mistakes.
Just keep going.
Fifth, focus on your message.
Not on perfect grammar.
These 5 points work every time.
For any beginner,
Let me add some practical phrases for storytelling.
great idea.
To start a story, say, "Let me tell you about,"
Simple and clear.
or "I want to share a story about."
Perfect.
To show sequence, use first, then, finally.
Time markers.
Exactly, they help people follow.
What about emotions?
Use simple emotion words.
Like I was happy or I felt sad.
Perfect, don't overcomplicate.
What if you forget a word while speaking?
Great question.
This happens to everyone.
Just describe it simply.
Like what?
If you forget bicycle, say, "the thing you ride with 2 wheels."
Ah, work around it.
Your audience will understand.
And you keep the flow going.
Exactly.
Here's another important tip.
What's that?
Use your body language.
Oh, absolutely.
Your hands, your face, your energy.
These help tell the story.
Even more than words sometimes.
Yuki used her hands when talking about the dolphin.
Ahmed showed the sunrise with his arms.
Carlos pretended to stir a pot.
Body language is universal.
It transcends language barriers.
So true.
One more important thing.
Yes?
Practice your story before presenting.
How?
Tell it to a friend,
Or to yourself in the mirror.
even to your pet.
The more you practice,
The more confident you become.
and confidence matters.
More than perfect English.
So, everyone listening,
You have stories to tell.
stories from your life.
Your experiences matter.
Don't wait for perfect English.
Tell your stories now.
With simple words,
With genuine emotion.
with confidence.
Your audience will listen.
They'll connect with you,
Not with your grammar.
but with your heart.
That's the power of storytelling.
Let's review the key storytelling elements.
Yes, let's do it.
Every story needs a clear beginning.
Every story needs a clear beginning.
Present a problem or challenge.
Present a problem or challenge.
Share a solution or ending.
Share a solution or ending.
Use simple, clear language.
Use simple, clear language.
Show genuine emotion.
Show genuine emotion.
Don't apologize for mistakes.
Don't apologize for mistakes.
Use body language.
Use body language.
Practice before presenting.
Practice before presenting.
Let me tell you about.
Let me tell you about.
I want to share a story about.
I want to share a story about.
Your story matters more than grammar.
Your message matters more than perfection. Great job today.
This was a special episode.
We shared real stories of success.
Yuki, Ahmed, and Carlos.
All succeeded with imperfect English.
You can too.
Think of a story from your life.
Practice telling it in simple English.
Share it with someone this week.
You'll be amazed at the response.
Thank you for learning with us.
Please subscribe to our channel.
And click the like button.
Share your stories with the world.
Your voice deserves to be heard.
See you next time.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye.
Pronounce faster.